I started HVMC because I recognized the real need in the manufacturing sector that uh, there just wasn't enough experienced people to perform all the tasks that needed to be done to make the U.S. competitive in manufacturing. And likewise, I witnessed a deterioration in the amount of manufacturing that was going on in this country, and it really concerned me because I'm of the opinion that it's unsustainable in the long term not to have a significant part of our economy based on manufacturing. I think one of the major struggles that most manufacturers have is knowing what's the important thing to work on today. There's just so many tasks that's before them that sometimes they get overwhelmed with tasks and they just flail around day to day trying to figure out how to get on top of things. In other words, they don't have the structure, the systems, the processes, and quite frankly, the skilled resources and the people that they need to address these problems one by one, put them to bed forever. They continue to resolve the same problems over and over and over, and it just doesn't move them forward from a throughput and profitability perspective.